beautiful hippies, and as you can see, we're back again with another wig video featuring Arabella hair. So I'm actually not going to be talking through this video. I'm actually just going to play music and let you guys watch me do the wig and install it and see my whole process behind my wigs that I do. And if you guys want to continue to see the final result, just keep on watching. Gotta love it. Gotta love it.
Feel alive, oh
this is the portion of the wig review. So the wig itself was very good. It's a 4x4 deep wave closure. It came in its natural color, but as you guys can see, I dyed the wig jet black. Now, the wig was very good, but my only problem was the closure. I didn't have a problem with gluing down the lace or anything, as you will see in the preceding clips. But when it came to the curl pattern, I'm not sure what was going on, but for some reason it felt like the closure felt felt like a different texture compared to the wig itself. But in general, for a slap-on wig for like quick on-the-go processing, the wig was very good. It was a medium-sized wig cap and it was 180 density, and the curls came out very beautiful. You will see in the clips as we continue to move forward. The curls was very beautiful, especially when you wet them and you put the product in there to make sure you have this wet looking curl. But overall, would I recommend Arabella hair? Yes. Customer service is very well. I got in contact with somebody within the snap of my fingers. It wasn't hard to get in contact with anybody. So just continue to watch me install my wig, and I hope you ladies have a great day. You ladies and gentlemen, have a great day. And thank you for continuing to support me. Gotta love it.
When we feel alive. across the floor.